Unstoppable Shelly. Shelly and Fraser Pryce wins 100 meters in 10.67 seconds at the Gyulai Istvan Memorial Meet in Hungary. This said, it looks like Shelly and Fraser Pryce is the 10.6 queen. From the 2022 season start, it's just pure 10.6 from Mommy Rocket. Yeah man, she run another one today, over there at this World Athletics Continental Tour gold level meet in Hungary. Fresh off the Diamond League meet in Silesia, Poland on Saturday, where she ran another 10.66 seconds to win. That one a world leading time for the season. Today in Hungary, she won in 10.67 seconds, crossing the finish line in front of Tamari Davis of the USA and Mujinga Kambuchi of Switzerland, who finished in times of 10.92 and 10.99 respectively. Twanisha Terry of the USA was next, then Natasha Morrison and Brianna Williams of Jamaica. Their times were 11.02, 11.06 and 11.14 seconds respectively. A season's best for Morrison. Fraser Pryce looked like she's a sub-10 factory this year, with a specialty for 10.67. She has run 10.67 on 4 occasions so far this year. And remember, she also did that World League 10.66 last Saturday. At 35, there seems to be no one out there who can do it better than Unstoppable Shelly.